title is the Buddha and Yahula. Yahula is the only son of the Buddha, become a monk. He is the youngest in Sangha. All the monks at the time in Buddhist have a lot of monks. A lot of monks love and support him. Now also like us, if someone loves us a lot, we will do whatever we want, right? Now at the time also like this, Yahula also all of monks loved him. That's why he did whatever he want and he liked. Sometimes he told lies to each other for fun of it. One day, the Buddha said to Yahula, "Please bring me a basin of water. I want to wash my feet." Then Buddha he washed his feet and asked Yahula, "Would you like to drink this water?" And Yahula replied, "No, it's dirty. It's dirty." And the Buddha asked Yahula to draw this water to draw the water away. Then the Buddha told to Yahula, if the water is dirty, no one want it. No one want to drink it. If the person also like it's like this, the person paralyzed, no one care on it anymore. And now also we shouldn't tell lie. We need to tell the truth. If someone you have some problem, if you tell lie, we can solve it to be the truth, right?
Yes.
So you need to tell the truth. If you tell the truth, yes, we can solve it. At least I want to talk. No